Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Draw with KingShuk, and today I will show you how to draw Pinocchio. So let's start with the drawing. So here, get ready with your paper and pencil. This is the area where I am going to draw. So as you know that live action film called Pinocchio has just released in Disney Plus. So today I will show you how to draw Pinocchio from that 1940 animated film by Walt Disney. So this is the area, so let's start. So first of all we need to draw a circle which will be the basic structure of the face. Just a circle which need not be perfect. It will be just an outline for the face of Pinocchio. So the basic structure is ready. Now we will be dividing this face into 4 parts from here, as the character will be facing this side. We're drawing another one on this down portion. Okay, now we have divided it into 4 parts, and now we will draw. Yes, it's ready now, and now we will draw the eyes just on this line, middle line, around one here for the eyes, and another one over here just beside. So you have got the basic structure of the eyes, and now we will drawing the nose. So the nose is ready, and from just below the nose here we will draw a straight line, just like the letter D, you know. Yes, here, and now you got the basic structure. And from this line, from over here, just intersecting this line over here, you will be drawing the ears. So let's draw the eyebrow here. The 1940 animated film by Disney was itself which was itself based on 1883 Italian book called The Adventures of Pinocchio. We all know that. So let's deepen the eyes here. So let's draw the eyes over here, another one here. We'll make it black here. Now it's great to see the character coming to life, you know. And now let's draw the nose. I will make it a little bit bigger than the reference here, as we know that Pinocchio, whenever he tells a lie, his nose gets bigger, you know. Sometimes it gets very big, like this. So I will make it a little bit bigger than the reference photo over here. So yes, it's done. Now we will be drawing a face. We will be drawing the mouth over here, of smiling face here, and just a bit like this here. And so this is the mouth. Here the down portion of the lip, and now we will be drawing the tongue like this, and we will be coloring it black inside the mouth. We will be coloring in the pencil. Okay, so it's coming to life, the face. Now from this portion, from the back portion of the ear, we'll be drawing a line like this. From the top portion over here which will be intersecting the other line, and from here we will continue to draw the hair like this, from here, so now another portion of the hair which has been seen like this. We will be completing the ear now. You will make a line like this here, and now from the above portion, from here, yes, we will be drawing the cap he's wearing. So here, like this. And from this portion we will be drawing the feather which is being placed in his cap like this. Another one stretching the line above here, and let's divide it a little bit here. And now we will come back for his face. Okay, just draw a line from middle, yes, like this here. Now from here we will be drawing the face. We will be completing the face from here, just beside the eyes. We'll be turning it like this, yes, like this here, from just beside the nose, like this. Okay, now we'll be drawing the chin here, and we will connect it just below the ear. So let's complete the hair. Now the face is more or less ready now. Now we will come back down for the bow. So the bow is ready. Now we will be drawing the neck here like this, the shirt, the collar like this, yes. Okay, now it's ready. Just now erase the all these rough things, and now it's ready. Let's deepen this a little bit, color the eyes like this, deepen the eyebrow. So my drawing is of Pinocchio is complete now, so we can see that it had turned out to be okay. And so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such cartoon character drawings. Until then, keep drawing.